Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates.
What's up guys, HN Styles here from HN Studio. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to split a file into parts. So without wasting of any time, let's get started. First, select any file you'd like to split into parts. But before splitting it, we have to check its size. So the folder size is 202 MB. So I'll split this folder into 50 MB parts. Make sure the WinRAR software is installed on your computer. If it isn't, then check the download link in the description to download it. Now right click on that file and click on Add to Archive. Change the compression method to best. Change the split volume size to MB. However, you may adjust the amount. Type in the split volume size. I'll split my folder into 50 MB parts. Then click OK. Now it will take some time to split your file. Now look, your file have been splitted into parts. And if we delete that file, and extract that parts, we'll get that folder again. And as you guys can see, we have split a folder into parts. So that's all for now. Meet you in another video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.